Cherry has launched their KC600 Slim keyboard, which brings about a newfound interest in flair in a modern, stylish design. Cherry themselves are adamant on this, as they say that the Cherry KC6000 Slim keyboard impresses with its precise scissor mechanism, compact dimensions, and state-of-the-art design. A sturdy keyboard with an integrated metal plate, it is a particularly attractive addition to the desk of the style-conscious user. Cherry's KC6000 Slim makes use of the company's SX key scissor mechanics switch technology. According to Cherry, this guarantees an excellent typing feel, a perfect operation, and a long service life. The keycaps being laser engraved means that Cherry has bet on durability and resistance to abrasion. The Cherry KC6000 Slim is available from May 2018 for a recommended retail price of €40/$50/£35, and is available on 2 different colors, silver housing with white keys, or black housing with black keys.